you dressed like this? Cover yourself.
Cover yourself. What is it? Please take your wrapper. What is it now? Why are you embarrassing me?
Why are you dressed like this now? Why are you like this? Look at the way you dressed.
I don't see anything wrong with my dressing. As a matter of fact, I'm well dressed.
So you are into hookup?
It's only you that know what you're talking about. I don't know what you're talking about. I beg you in the name of God, when next you will stop me to talk this rubbish, you will never like what I will do to you.
Rubbish. More rubbish. Christine Aqua, you are into hookup, okay?
Hold it there.
I said it.
Take that to your answer.
You are not from home. Your mother is not aware of it. In fact, I'm going straight to your house to tell her. Because this is the one that carries it. Sorry, I'm going to let her know that her daughter is into hookup. Woo! Apuna.
For me, yeah. Yes.
Good evening.
It's all right.
Thank you.
What's your name?
I'm Nelly.
Okay. You are beautiful.
Thank you.
Hope you come with us. Are you okay? Yeah. Are you okay with that? No, you don't like her. You don't like her? For you. So this is Senator's house, right? So here is Senator's house. You have been staying here doing your Apuna business. Today is bad market for you. Come on, you. Hey.
I said it. My brother.
Shame.
What happened to her? I saw her from my village. What happened to her?
This is where she has been staying, Today is bad market for her.
Her customers didn't continue.
You didn't have any customers today.
Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Look at you. None of your business. Leave me alone.
Hey!
Leave me alone. Why are you following me around?
I will follow you because I'm ashamed of you. I'm ashamed of you. So this is true. You come here. You said that you insult me anytime I talk to you about what you do.
You don't want to respect yourself and leave this place. You don't want to respect yourself and leave this place now. Leave this place now. I'm warning you for the very last time.
They know that I'm coming. They're coming to pick me here. They will see you today. They're coming to pick me here. Yes. Hey. Achawo, hook up girl. Where are you going? Come and stand and insult me. Stand and insult me. You said you will insult me. Stand and insult me. Christy, stand.
Respect yourself now. What will you respect yourself?
My son is
allow
coming.
me to be.
You will not be.
What is my business?
You must stop my shower walk. It's not good for you.
You say you are shower walk.
Don't forget, I don't know shower walk. I don't know shower walk. It's not your life.
Please leave me alone. Stop pestering me around. What is it?
Look at how. She don't have simple. Come on, chain me.
Please avoid me this night, oh.
Look at what you're doing to yourself. You are in the school. This is where you're schooling. Anytime you text me about it, I will insult you. Insult me.
This woman, leave me alone.
Hey, I will not leave you this time. I will not leave you. How come you talk?
Make yourself comfortable. If there's anything you need, just tell me.
Okay.
It's all right.
Thank you.
It's all right. Take you the whole day to How are you feeling?
Wait.
What
Your
is it?
marriage.
Why are you asking?
The female dresses.
Oh. Of course, I have a woman in my life. My fiancée. She traveled for their NYC orientation program, and I'm sure she will be spending 3 weeks there, so you don't have any cause to worry.
I just want to be careful because I don't want to die untimely. As a matter of fact, I'm the only child of my parents.
Listen, you're in a very safe hand. I don't harm people. I just saw you and piqued interest in you.
You said so?
Moreover, if I must say it, you look too innocent for this profession. But that's by the way. Sorry, did I bother you?
No, I'm okay.
It's all right. It's all right. I'm sorry.
I'm sorry for being emotional.
You don't have problem. Maybe, probably that is the kind of person you are. See, I am beginning to. You weren't this beautiful when I saw you outside there.
Oh no, are you kidding me?
Did you just change?
Change how?
Did you wear any makeup that was, different from what?
So flattering me, Joe.
So,
You're getting me shy. Good morning.
Morning.
Sorry that I woke you up. I intruded into your kitchen and I met some staffs. So I prepared breakfast for us.
Really?
Yes.
You mean you've prepared something already? This morning?
So,
It's all right.
let's go.
It's all right.
My goodness, where could she be?
I don't know. I don't know. We are finished.
Hey. Okay. Alright. It's already past 10. Let's go upstairs and wait for her. Maybe she will come back in the morning. If she didn't come back this night, tomorrow morning we'll still go in search of her.
You check your time, it's 10.
I know. That's why I said let's go upstairs. No, just hold on, stop. Let's go upstairs. I believe that Nelly will come back. Okay?
Nelly, please. Do you want to tell me you don't feel anything for me? Don't tell me you want to leave me.
See, Damien, I have to go. Have you forgotten that I'm a hoe? For crying out loud, I've been in this your house for 2 good weeks. Who does that? And don't forget that your woman will return in a few days' time.
Nelly, you don't understand how I feel inside. I feel like if you leave me, I will die.
Why would you die?
Honestly, see, look at how neat my house is. You see the tasty meal you prepare for me? I mean, don't do this to me. I won't let you go, please.
See, Damien, I really understand how you feel. But I really have to go.
Look at how you have changed me. I am now a changed person. I feel like if you leave me, I will die.
I am here strictly for business, and it's over. In fact, I've even overstayed my welcome.
Nelly, let me tell you, I have fallen in love with you. Yes.
In love with me?
For the first time, honestly, no woman has ever made me feel the way I am feeling for you now. Please don't go. Stay, please. Stay.
It's okay. It's okay. I'll stay.
Take it. Really?
Yeah.
Really?
Thank you so much for everything you've done for me. Especially my school fees. I wonder what I could have done without you. May God bless you immensely.
Amen. Amen. Well, do you don't really need to thank me. I did what I'm supposed to do. Do you understand? You see, let me say it again, in case if you have forgotten. I have fallen in love with you. And by the grace of God, I have enough to take care of you. So, all you need to do is ask me for whatever you want, and I will do it. I am ready to do it for you.
Thank you so much.
All right, dear.
You're really a godsend to me. I love you.
I know you do.
Just that I'm so worried. Honestly, I am so worried about your woman.
Come off it. Come off it. Allow me to worry about that. I know how to play my games. Relax. It's not your it's not your responsibility. I just told you what I told you concerning her. Nothing serious between the two of us again. Between I and that person you're talking about. So you don't need to worry about it. It is my life. Allow me to handle it my own way. Do you get that? So stop worrying.
It's alright.
Alright.
Settle.
Let's go and meet your friends. You don't want to see them?
Sure. I switched off my phone. Yes, my phone has not been. What could I have told them?
Of course, it's for good. Let's go and see them.
It's alright. I believe I'm not with you on this.
So how is Abuja?
Well, thank God.
Really?
Yeah, everything went well.
It's all right. No. We.
Good day, sirs.
Yeah, man.
You're welcome.
But Damian, what is she still doing in your house? And her?
Who are you talking about? You're talking about Lely,
Yes, yes,
the girl we met before you traveled, right?
yes.
Chika. That girl is not what you think she is. She's an angel. Honestly. Honestly, I'm telling you, because could you believe that that day was her first day? My dear, honestly, you were good. I like it.
But, like I said before, honestly, I find it hard to believe that someone like you is into this. I mean,
I have to be sincere with you. I'm not a hoe. Yeah. As a matter of fact, I haven't done this before. Sleeping with a total stranger. I haven't.
Nelly, stop crying, my daughter. Eh? You said the exams will be starting in 2 weeks' time. In 2 weeks' time, I'll send the money across to you. Before you start the exam, the money will come. Stop crying.
But you don't understand. I don't want to miss any of my exams.
Listen to me. Stop being childish.
Papa,
Trust me.
You really have to run around for this money.
I have to.
I must not miss my exams.
I'm promising you I'm not going to miss your exams. Eh? $300, $400, $500. Take this. It will pay your transfer back to school. Eh? Before 2 weeks, you get the money. Okay. Just take it.
Okay, Papa.
I'm sorry. 2 weeks time, believe me.
Okay, Papa.
Bye.
She's even crying.
Maybe her boyfriend dumped her.
Boyfriend?
My father said that he cannot pay my school fees until month's end.
Is that why you're crying? My dear, wipe your tears. After all, I've been paying my school fees for the past 2 years. Yes.
Me too.
Okay. So you need not to worry about that.
Close your mouth, Joe. Before flight enters it. I don't know what to do.
You are an adult and you know what to do.
Anyway, you guys have male friends. I don't have.
Help with that. How?
You know I don't have any money in my
Please
life.
hold this.
Nobody
Stop
to
it.
help me.
Stop it. You are an adult and I don't need to tell you what to do. Okay?
You don't need to be wasting your speed. You stay people.
Sorry, baby. Let's go inside. Sort yourself out instead of crying.
Excuse me.
Ah, my
face,
girl is crying.
You see, Chika, you see, life and experiences have taught me that people can do what they don't want to do. Situations can push people to do things they don't wish to do. I'm telling you, now you know. You understand what I'm trying to say?
My man, you are not cute. I wish I would get someone like that too.
I'm telling you, my brother. So, she's actually an angel. Let's drink. So, she told me her story. I wept. She told me what pushed her into that.
Wow.
Not bad.
Man, you are lucky.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Into that rubbish. Thank you.
What is it? What's your face like this? Did anybody die?
Yes. You died 3 days after you left my house.
Baby, tell me you're joking. Tell me you're joking. It's a prank, right?
I am not joking.
Baby, what did I do to you? What did I do to you? You don't want to talk to me, right? Excuse me, who is she?
Because of your death.
Damian, you're joking. What do you mean by... Young girl, who are you? Baby, talk to me. You're not saying anything, right? Your father must hear this.
There's not been long you left home. Who is the senior? Two of you.
You know the tradition mother.
Yes. Put it behind. You must put it behind. So that if evil is on the way, it will not see you. Every bad thing that will not happen before you. It will happen behind you.
Really?
That is how we do it.
But I came with this for you.
Yes. When? For me?
You know, as a tradition demands.
Okay, my son.
You know, traditionally speaking, if you are coming to see a titled person and a share, the first time you must come with a strong wine, and that is what I have done.
Thank you. You're welcome, my son.
Well done, sir.
Welcome.
Yes, sir.
None, bro. None.
Oh, Papa,
No, my daughter.
this is Damian.
Yes.
He's a very good friend of mine. Damian has been so good to me.
Damian, you're welcome.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
It's nothing.
Hey, he said this.
So he has been disturbing that he wants to meet you. Could you believe that he paid my school fees?
Hey, no, hello. Hey, huh? The school fees that kept me naked. The last time she came back home to collect the school fees, I gave her just transport fare and said, go back, my daughter. before the month ends or by the month end, I will send the money across to you. That is what you paid for me.
It's nothing, Papa. It's nothing. This is my good friend, Chika.
Oh, Chika. Yes. You're welcome, my son. Thank you.
As a matter of fact, he was there the first day I met your daughter. Yes. And I'm not going to mince words. He said that your daughter is a very wonderful person. Honestly. So, when she was telling me about her father, I said, well, you don't need to explain. That gave birth to you must equally be a special person. And I've seen that today.
Oh, thank you, my son.
I have the intention to marry her. She's my fiancée, yes.
Huh? Don't call him Mama, Nelly. You're welcome, my son. You're welcome. You're welcome, my son. Huh? You're welcome. Every of your intentions, God in heaven will fulfill them.
Amen.
Amen.
Oh?
Amen.
Amen.
It will be well with you. I wish my wife were here.